All right, welcome to Outdoor Madness, everyone. Kerry Clark and Karen Clark here. It is day 9 of the road trip. And we are at Ruby Beach right now. And it's awesome, you guys. We met up with our friends, Shane and Kathy and their 2 kids. They're in front of us over here. And definitely a place you have to come to. It's pretty crowded, but it's summertime, and that's what happens during the summer. But still, definitely worth coming to. If you're doing the Oregon coast like we're doing, coming into Washington State, I mean, it's awesome, you guys. So we're gonna check this beach out, and we're gonna just see what it's all about. Walk up and down. Tons of driftwood everywhere. Really, it's a beautiful beach. Really beautiful. I love his hat. His hat is awesome.
Something beautiful.
Who's gonna win? We're almost there. Almost. Almost. Don't fall. We made it. Oh, give me a high five. We did it. All right. Today is day 10 of our road trip from Southern California all along the Oregon coast into Washington State. And we are in the Hoh Rain Forest right now. We stayed in Forks last night, and yesterday, of course, we did Ruby Beach. And if you guys are just now tuning in, we are trying to do every 2 days along the way, just to show you guys some things to do. And just I'm awestruck anytime I get out in the forest like this. It's just, man, it's just so beautiful. So but yeah, we're doing every two days. We are doing that. We're kind of grouping the videos together. But yeah, we are on the upper Hoh Rain Forest, and this is the Hall of Mosses Trail. So we got here today at about 9:20. The park opened, I believe, at 9, and the parking lot was already full. But what was nice is I have a senior pass because I'm old. So we were able to use that pass, didn't have to pay to get in. We didn't have to wait. And anyway, the wait wasn't, I mean, if we would have had to wait, it might have been like 5 minutes. Because basically what they do is, you know, if you're waiting at the gate, they wait till another car comes out or 2 cars come out, then they let you in. So, but the old saying goes, the early bird catches the worm. So just make sure you get here early, because this is a very popular place. It's August right now, and this is when everybody's traveling. So, but it's definitely worth it. This is beautiful. So let's keep going, and we're going to show you some more of the Hall of Mosses Trail. The Hoh Rain Forest, pronounced Hoh, earns its name from the ever-flowing Hoh River that carves its way from Mount Olympus toward the Pacific coast. However, where the name originates is up for debate. The word Hoh undoubtedly comes from the Native American languages, possibly the Quileute word Ohalit, which means fast-moving water or snow water. Since the river itself forms from glacier runoff, that origin seems straightforward. Other explanations state that the Quinault word Qua, meaning boundary, could be the root of the name, as a river as massive as the Hoh certainly forms a formidable boundary across the landscape. A third consideration claims that the word Hoh, and this is so funny to me, translates to man with quarreling wives. Yeah, says it right here. Regardless of the name, though, there's no question as to the allure that draws visitors back to the rainforest year after year. Throughout the winter season, rain falls frequently in the Hoh Rain Forest, contributing to the yearly average of 140 inches of precipitation each year. The result is what you're looking at right now, a lush green canopy of trees, mosses, and ferns that blanket the surfaces and add another dimension to the enchantment of the rainforest. The Hoh Rain Forest is located in the stretch of the Pacific Northwest rainforest, which once spanned the Pacific coast from southeastern Alaska to the central coast of California. The Hoh is one of the finest remaining examples of temperate rainforest in the United States and is one of the park's most popular destinations. The Hoh lies on the west side of Olympic National Park, about a 2-hour drive from Port Angeles and under an hour from Forks. The Hoh Rain Forest is accessed by the Upper Hoh Road off of Highway 101. All right, so right now, you guys, we are on our way to Port Angeles, but this is what I love to do. I love to pull off on these side roads as long as there's no trespassing sign or nothing. Doesn't say keep out or anything.
No.
Why not?
And it's not even on the map, which is crazy.
Yeah, so this is cool. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to turn around. I might have to back out, but if I have to back out, guess what? I'll back out. This is awesome. Turn around spot right here. Good grief. Look how thick that is.
Wow.
Oh, you guys, look at this. Wow. Good grief. Man, this is thick. Ooh-wee. I'm rolling up the windows because I'm sure there's lots of skeeters.
Yeah. I see a lot of bugs coming up.
Hopefully you can see to my windshield's so dirty. The last gas station we went to, they didn't even have a deal to clean your windshield. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is the bomb. Looks like just a turnout.
Yeah.
Man, this is pretty. This is what I love to do, you guys. Explore. When you find roads like this, as long as they're not private and there's no posted sign that says no trespassing, then take that road. That's how you find beautiful spots like this. Well, remember earlier how we were talking about the Hoh River? Well, by exploring these roads, guess what? It took us right down to the Hoh River, and they were right. You can see, just by the color of the water, this is definitely glacier runoff. Well, you guys, there you have it. Day 9 and 10 have come to an end. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. Don't forget to give us the thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope that these videos will motivate you to grab your family and friends, hop in the car, and do the exact same road trip that we're doing. But now, stay tuned, because day 11 and 12 will be coming up shortly. I'm Kerry Clark for Outdoor Madness, and guess what? You know the story. I'll see you somewhere in the great outdoors.